that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
and obey the laws and legal orders
and obey the laws and legal orders
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines.
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines.
And I hereby declare
And hereby declare
that I recognize and accept
that I recognize and accept
the supreme authority of the Philippines,
the supreme authority of the Philippines,
and I will maintain true faith and allegiance thereto,
and I will maintain true faith and allegiance thereto,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself
and that I impose the obligation upon myself
voluntarily,
voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tapos, yung pirmahan nyo, yung napirmahan nyo,
Napirmahan na.
congratulations. Una uli